What is all this? Is that Ty? I remember it all now. Ty, my partner.
It's all coming back. Matt and I went through so much together, and it was so hard to say goodbye. So hard.
Being with you always made me so happy, Joe, even though you didn't always understand why.
Oh, TK, even when I was infected, you stayed with me the whole time. I remember now.
Sora, look at us. We were great friends, weren't we? Now I know why you were being so kind to me. How can you ever forgive me for being so mean?
It's amazing. We spent so much time together, Izzy, and you worked so hard to get us here. I hope our stories are safe inside your big brain.
I can't believe how lovely all these memories are, Mimi. We are perfect together. We're going to be partners forever.
Look, it's Metal Garurumon. There's Meicoomon.
And Rosemon! Is that Phoenixmon?
There goes Seraphimon! I see Hercules Kabuterimon! They all digivolved